welcome back. So I'm starting with this color here. I'm going to be doing 2 coats of this polish. I'm grabbing this polish here. It's a rose gold glitter, and I'm going to be doing 2 coats of this one. Okay, so now to finish off this, now I'm going to be adding 2 coats of that glitter. Alright guys, so I'm going to get started with the Jack Skellington. I went ahead and did his face on my Cricut machine. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm making sure to place that really good. And I am going to start placing his face on top of the black. You could always just print out the white face and fill in the eyes, the nose, and the teeth with black polish, but I decided to do it like this. And now I'm going in with some top coat to seal that in because I did the first one and it was just coming off. So yeah, I just want to seal that in first and then I'll go ahead and continue. Now for his body, I'm going to go in with some gel polish. As you guys could see here, I'm going to be using black and white. Okay, so I cured this for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to be making some little hearts. I'm going to start with some black polish. I'm not going to cure, and I'm going to go in with some white polish right on top of that. And after I'm done, then that's when I'm going to cure. Alright, and now I'm going to go in with a layer of top coat, just like this, cure it for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to be working on my zeros, so I made them on the Cricut. I'm going to be using some black polish for his eyes, and then for the inside of the mouth, and I'm going to be using the orange for his nose. All right, so once I have cured that, I decided to go in and make some little bones for Zero since he is a dog ghost. So I made a couple of little bones. I used the colors white and orange. So once I have cured that, I'm gonna go in with a layer of top coat. All right, so I decided to add some rhinestones. I have to be adding rhinestones most of the time to my nails. That's just how I am. I love rhinestones. So I decided to add some on this set. And this is how my set turned out, guys. It's very neutral and pretty glittery with rhinestones, still with the Halloween vibe. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.